Busted yan. Like that!
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Youngstown, Warren, Boardman, Niles, Campbell, Hubbard, Canfield, Cortland, Newton Falls, Lordstown, West Farmington, Hilltop, Vienna Center, Levicksburg, Maplewood Park, Bristolville, Austintown, Struthers, Girard, and Vienna. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning and Trumbull. Urgent.